Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage prompt tone for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. You have to start by open Soundcore application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Tap on it and then scroll down. Go to more settings, and right here in the first line we have prompt tone. You need to tap on it also. Right here we have wearing tone and touch tone. So if you have empty background at the slider, it means that it's disabled. So to enable it, just tap on it. What does wearing tone do? When you put your earbuds to your ears, you will hear a tone. That's it. And now, if you have colorful background, it means that this tone is enabled, and to disable, just also tap on it. Also, we have touch tone, and touch tone work when you tap at the touch areas on your earbuds. So when you use some gesture, you will hear also touch tone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!